Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Finishing up this place now. Putting in my plugs. So we seeing how fast we can go. I'm actually doing a plug circuit there, connecting up my breaker box. At the same time, I'm actually doing my ceiling bed, putting in my wiring, this board, Salitex they call it back in the Caribbean. We don't really use lagging or foam in our ceiling here because it's a tropical climate. So we don't need to use those lagging up in our ceiling or that foam and all that because, as I said, it's tropical climate here. Dressing up this window and trying to get things set off. Getting ready to start drawing some paints. Actually, what I'm going to do now, as you actually seen, I'm doing the counter because it's actually going to be a pub. So I'm actually screwing up my counter there, getting my bits in place, like getting ready to do my casting for the counter. Notice I'm doing a bit of mesh on top there, and then I'm going to use a bit of concrete, which is about 1.25 inch concrete. Don't want it too thick, just want something to hold the tiles. Alright, and that's now I have it cast. And before I do that, I'm dressing. You notice I have that window dressed, and then back to the ceiling now, doing some painting. So stay with me until next week, where you'll see me do some more finishing. Thanks for watching.